Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find sound and vibration. As you can see at the top, we've got this highlighted section with the notifications, ringtone and alarms, of course the sounds for those options, so let's tap on the ringtone. And unfortunately in this device we've got a lot of advertisements, so we have to be patient for sure. Okay, let me tap on it. Let me turn it off. Okay, so for some reason we just we are transferred to the wallpapers, but no worries. Simply tap on the ringtone, and basically this is the section where you will be transferred after tapping on the ringtone. Let's tap on it. Yes. So basically here we've got a lot of online ringtones from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from, which is really cool. However, if you're a more traditional person, you still have got pre-installed ringtones, so those which are installed on the device by default by a developer, or you can choose a local ringtone, which means that you can choose something which you've recorded or downloaded from the internet. So it's of course up to you. As I said, you can tap on it, tap on the ringtone again, and here you've got some pre-installed options. But let me pick something from those options because it is a really great opportunity to find something really interesting. So maybe something from the happy hits. Let's tap on the... Oh, I forgot that I've got it silenced. So let's tap on this one maybe. Okay. And as you can see, this is how you can check the ringtones. So simply tap on the option and listen whether you like it or not. Maybe this one. Okay. And whenever you will decide that you want to set this ringtone as your default one, simply tap on this bell icon or ring icon, like that. And then we can again choose for which section you want to apply, so the ringtone, notification and alarm. So of course choose the ringtone. Your device will have to download it, so as I said, it will have to have the internet connection. Okay, now we can go back, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So the name of the ringtone has been applied, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.